Struggling with keyword research? In 2025, ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's your secret weapon for finding exactly what your audience is searching for. Forget endless manual brainstorming. ChatGPT helps you generate fresh ideas, input a topic, and it'll brainstorm relevant keywords, including long-tail phrases you might miss. Understand search intent? Ask it to classify keywords by informational, navigational, or transactional intent, so you know why people are searching. Discover questions. Get a list of common questions related to your niche. Perfect for creating answer-driven content. Group and cluster. Provide a list of keywords, and ChatGPT can organize them into logical clusters, streamlining your content strategy. The key is crafting the right prompts. Be specific, provide context, and define your goals. Remember, ChatGPT is a powerful assistant. Always validate its suggestions with traditional SEO tools for search volume and competition. Ready to supercharge your keyword research? Start experimenting with ChatGPT today. Follow us for more SEO tips.